Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk to you about a new trade-in that we just got in. It's a Hurricane. It's a CC231. It's the Coastal Edition. Real good-sized boat. It's got a lot of neat features on it. Does a little bit of fishing, a little bit of having fun. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board. Let's take a look at the back, starting with the Yamaha. It's a 200 horsepower Yamaha. Plenty of horsepower for this boat, so it's going to get right on plane. Good high top end on it. And it gives you a setup for where you got rod holders. It gets set up for fishing, and it's also set up for just cruising around. So it's a good combination boat. You've got two captain seats here. You've got a Garmin GPS chart plotter, so that's all you need as far as knowing where you're going out on the water. So that's a good unit. You got storage on all the sides. And as we move to the bow, you've got really nice U-shaped seating. Got a little sink, a little fresh water there. And then you've got if you're fishing, you've got a seat. You can fish off the bow, which is a really neat feature for this boat, with a bow boarding ladder as well. So the boat does everything well. It's a new trade-in. We just got it in. If you want to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.